bad times, there has to be a certain degree of regulation on the part of government or control. There has to be some kind of intervention that the government should have when times are bad.
This is Truth on the Line.
You're talking about a review of the oil deregulation law. Can you give more details about what reforms might be needed, what might be possible? Kasi sabi nila, medyo mahirap naman bumalik dun sa regulation. Ano? We had that experience already. So are you thinking of hybrid or something, giving the government some form of control during emergencies? Ganun ba? Can you give us more details?
Kasi if you think about it, kung good times naman, no war,
Yeah.
it's working, di ba? It's
Yeah.
working naman eh. Competition drives the price at a certain point. Supply is a problem of the private, and so the government does not have any cash out, no budget for that, and it works by itself. But in bad times, there seems to be a problem, no? Because as I mentioned before, there's a lack of transparency, you know. So I think there should be transparency, because it's a liberalized or market-driven. Second is, if it's bad times, there has to be a certain degree of regulation on the part of government or control. For example, like yung ginagawa namin ngayon, minomonitor at minamandate namin yung oil price hike or yung rollback. So things like that or control the industry income or profit. So there has to be some kind of intervention that the government should have when times are bad. So not really overhaul the whole thing, but maybe just fix what needs to be fixed.
Okay, but you are not proposing return to a regulated environment, no? Or
No,
fully
kasi
regulated,
it's,
I mean, going back to the old system.
Well, what you can do is regulate the price, no?
Yes.
That's also one idea that can be done. Like it's a market-driven, like power, no?
Yeah.
Power is market-driven, all
Yes.
private, and you have ERC that regulates the price. It's just to make sure that nobody does like any profiteering at a certain point, no? But that can be done also. There are certain variations to the idea, but for me, kasi if short of that, we can have regulation on the activities when some factors, variables are present, like this kind of war.
Yes.
May trigger lang siya when that will be applied. So I think Congress can come up with a proper formula for this.